Hey y'all, this is Psycho Steve giving you an update on the truck tie down sabotage recap. Somebody tied a bunch of knots in my truck tie down. I believe it was to inconvenience me, amongst other things. I believe this is part of a larger harassment stalking campaign, but that's for a different short. Made progress on the knot, as you see. I have good hopes for this. We've been at it for at least 2 hours, maybe more. But this is a damn good knot and a damn good challenge. God bless, and I hope to have an update soon.